Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I trade starting with only $350 using my compounding strategy that has proven to be very accurate over time. This strategy was developed to maximize profits while managing risks properly. So it's not just random entries, but every position is calculated based on solid technical analysis, including candlestick patterns, support and resistance levels, moving average indicators, and confirmations from the MACD. You'll see how a small capital of $350 can grow into a much larger balance. I'm showing everything transparently on screen. Nothing is hidden. If you'd like to learn more about this compounding strategy, you're welcome to join my VIP group. There, I share real-time trading signals along with explanations for every entry, so you can learn and practice at the same time. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell, and share this video with your friends who want to learn how to trade professionally. Alright, let's get started and jump into the market. Let's go. Okay, in this market, I decided to go for a sell position. The reason is quite clear, because right now I can see that a downtrend is happening. If you look closely, almost all the candles are closing below the green trend line, which indicates strong selling pressure. I always stick to the principle of following the trend, because trading against the trend carries much higher risks, especially since there are no clear signals of a reversal at the moment, like big bullish candles or strong rejection patterns. So for now, I prefer to stay with the market direction, which is going down. Let's see how this trade turns out. Okay, profit. Let's open the market again and look for the next opportunity. Okay, my analysis is still the same as before. I see that the market is still in a downtrend and there's no strong sign of a reversal yet. So I decided to follow the trend again, and this time I'm taking a sell position for 1 minute. Trading with the trend is always safer, especially when the market conditions are this clear. Let's see how it turns out. Okay, profit. Let's open the market again and look for the next opportunity. Okay, I'm entering a buy in this market because I see a crossover happening on the indicators, a strong early signal of a potential uptrend. Also, a powerful Marubozu candle has just broken through the red line, which previously acted as a resistance area. This Marubozu has a full, solid body, showing strong buyer pressure pushing the price higher. That's why I'm confident that an upward trend is forming. Let's see the result. Alright guys, this time I decided to take a sell position on this market. The reason is quite clear. The price has just touched the red line, which acts as a resistance level. From my experience, this area often pushes the price back down. Moreover, I noticed a crossover on the MACD indicator signaling potential bearish momentum. This makes me even more confident that the market might move downward. And it turned out just as expected. This trade closed in profit. Now, I'm going to keep watching the next market to spot the best opportunities. Okay guys, in this market I decided to go for a sell position. The reason is because the red line, which previously acted as support, has now been broken and has turned into a resistance level. This means that the area which previously held prices from falling is now preventing the price from going back up. This kind of situation often signals that the downtrend is likely to continue. Moreover, the overall trend is still showing bearish movement, with no strong signs of reversal yet. Usually when a support turns into resistance, prices tend to bounce down again from that level. So, I'm choosing to follow the trend to stay in line with the bearish momentum. Let's see how this trade goes. Okay, profit. Let's open the next market. Okay guys, in this market I decided to enter a sell position. The reason is because the market is currently in a clear downtrend. We can see that after the red line was broken, not a single candle in this market has managed to close above the green line. This shows there's no significant resistance from the buyers, meaning the sellers are still dominating and the price has a high potential to keep moving downward. Usually a situation like this is a strong signal that the bearish trend will continue. So I'm choosing to follow the trend to stay safe and move in line with the market's momentum. Let's see how this trade goes. Okay, profit. Let's open the next market. Attention! You need to understand, the strategy I've shown you in this video is not an ordinary method. This is part of my premium strategy, and I only teach it in full inside the VIP group. There are a lot of so-called profitable strategies out there, but this one has been personally tested and proven by me over the years. And it can reach up to 100% accuracy under certain market conditions. So if you're serious about learning and mastering this strategy the right way, the only way is to join my VIP group. Okay guys, in this market I decided to enter a buy position. The reason is quite strong. As you can clearly see on the chart, there are 4 consecutive Marubozu candles that successfully broke through the red line, which previously acted as a significant resistance area. This signals very strong buying pressure. In addition, I also noticed that the green line from the moving average is sharply pointing upwards, indicating that strong bullish momentum is building up. The combination of this breakout above the red line and the steep upward slope of the moving average reinforces my confidence that the uptrend will likely continue. So I chose to go for a buy here because the probability for price to keep moving higher is getting stronger. Let's see how this trade goes. Okay, profit. Let's open the next market. Okay guys, in this market I've decided to enter a buy position. The reason is quite clear. I'm seeing a crossover happening both on the MACD indicator and on the moving averages. The crossover on the MACD suggests that bullish momentum is starting to build, signaling a strong potential for prices to move upward. Additionally, the moving averages are crossing upward as well, giving an extra confirmation that the trend might be shifting into an uptrend. With these 2 confirmations from both the MACD and the moving averages, I'm confident to enter a buy position. It's a good moment to follow the potential price increase. Let's see how this trade turns out. Okay, profit. Let's open the next market. Okay guys, right now I've decided to enter a buy position in this market. The reason is that the market is currently in an uptrend condition. All the candles forming at this moment are consistently staying above the green line or trend line, which indicates that bullish strength is still very dominant. I choose to simply follow the trend because in trading, following the current trend is usually safer and offers a higher probability of profit than going against it. So, I'm optimistic that the price will continue moving upwards. Let's see how this trade turns out. Okay, profit. Let's open the next market. Okay guys, it looks like the market is starting to get volatile right now, and the price movements are becoming harder to predict. Rather than forcing new trades and risking losses, I've decided to stop trading for now. So I'm going to pause my trading session, and I'll also be withdrawing my profits to make sure my gains are completely safe. Okay guys, right now I'm going to try withdrawing just $70,000. Why not withdraw it all? Because I want to leave some of my balance to keep trading behind the scenes. This way, I can secure my profits, but still have working capital to continue growing my account. Okay guys, I've successfully made my withdrawal. For now, I've decided to stop trading and will continue again later if the market looks good. That's it for today's trading session. If you want to learn more about my trading strategies, feel free to join my VIP group. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.